On my previous video, I showed you how to download and install VirtualBox in a Windows machine. And this video, I'll show you how to create virtual machine with Windows 11 operating system. So if you missed my last video, I'll put you the link on the description section. Okay, so to create a virtual machine with Windows 11 operating system, we need a ISO image for the Windows 11, and we can get it from the Microsoft site. Here's the link. I'll put the link on the description, and from here you need to go to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Then you need to select the multi-edition ISO, and here's the details. If you want to see, you can see it from here. You can go on details about this description, and then you need to click on the download section, and you have to choose language, and then you need to confirm. So this is a more than 5 gig software I already downloaded. It will take around like few minutes, so I already have that software on my computer, and let me show you. So here's my Windows 11 ISO software. So it will need when we create the virtual machine. So let's go to our VirtualBox. So when you create the VirtualBox, it will show this kind of interface. From here, you need to go to the new, and let me make it a little bit bigger, or this size is good. So let's create the virtual machine here. You can give any name you want. I'll give first VM, and from here you can keep the default or whatever place you want to create your virtual machine. You can change it here with the other icon. I'm going to keep it here on my V drive, and here's the ISO drive you need to create the virtual machine. So I already have it on my V drive. Select it, and then next, and here you can give the username. I'll give the admin, and you can set the password. You can set up whatever password you need, then click OK. And here the default setting for the memory and processor. So this is the best recommendation. If you want to change it, if you need the different configuration, you can change it from here, or you can also change after creating the machine. And here just unclick the enable EFI. We don't need it for this video purpose. Click next. So here the recommended hard disk settings, it is giving the 80 gig. I'm okay with that. So here's the other option, use an existing virtual hard disk. Now we are not going to use the existing, we are going to create. So pre-allocate the full size. Okay, click next. Here's the summary, then click finish. All right, if you see here, it started working. It will take like few minutes based on your computer capacity. Alright, so it took a few minutes to create the virtual machine. It is still working on it. So right now it is installing the Windows software, and it is configuring. All right, so it is finishing up the VirtualBox creation, and if you see here, it is setting up the new windows at this point. Right, so the Windows computer setting up is completed. So on the, let me close this thing. Right, so on the beginning, you can see the monitor is very small for the virtual machine. To fix that issue, let's go to the display, display settings. From display settings, you can choose, let me choose 1612. Okay, seems working good, but let me check 1280. But I think the 1600 by 1200 is better. All right, so here is our new virtual machine with the Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for watching.